Hey guys, it's the Random Outdoorsman here, and today we'll be identifying multiple species of trees by leaf. Let's get started. So this is the longleaf pine, and one of the best ways to identify it from other species of pine tree is by the very large size of their pine cone. And the tree also has some economic values to it. It's usually used for lumber, and that's why it's also becoming endangered, because it's being produced and people are just cutting down large forests of these pine, and it's very important that we keep these things alive and we have farms for these instead of just cutting down forests that have them. So this is the laurel oak, which this tree has some very small leaves, as you can see with the leaf compared to the penny. So this is actually a very important tree to animals such as, say, squirrels, because they produce acorns. But there are also some economic uses, such as fuel wood and some pulp wood that will be used for paper. Alright, so this is the southern magnolia, which is yet another very common tree to the southeastern United States. Some interesting facts about this is that it's actually an evergreen, meaning that these leaves don't shed during the winter and fall like other trees. So their leaves keep doing photosynthesis during this winter and fall. It produces some very creamy white flowers that are also very big. And it is also a very slow grower, growing less than 12 to 24 inches a year. So this is the water oak, which is another common species in North America. So it has some wildlife benefits, such as producing acorns, which will feed animals such as squirrels and pigs. It's also a very fast grower, growing more than 24 inches in height a year. And it's also very adaptive to any environment. It can survive from the wettest of environments, like right up against a pond or a river, and it can survive in dry environments such as the plains in the Midwest. This is another common species to almost all of North America, and it is the sweet gum tree, also known as the American sweet gum tree. And fun fact, this actually produces sweet gum balls, which are those really spiky and painful to step on balls that you find on the ground. This tree also, it sheds its leaves really late in the season. It'll go into the winter sometimes. Usually it'll do late fall shedding, and that's about it.